Well, so this is day 9 of my surgery. My clogged tear duct. And so I thought I'd get out and take another little walk. Looks like it's going to rain. The flowers are really pretty. Someone said this is my peaceful place, and I agree 100%. I had prayed I would get to move from where I am right now. It's very controlled. I hate it. But until I get the money to move, I'm here where I live. And so I thought I'd walk down, drive down, then walk down. I don't know what that is down there. If that's a block, I don't know. My grandson came one day and walked with his dad. And they, my son and I had been driving by this river and saw this couch in the river. I'm really weak after that surgery, so it's very hard to see. You can see the geese over there if you look really close. On the other side, on the banks of the river, as they would say in the South, banks of the River Jordan. I lived in the South when I was a little girl. Someone needs to clean this mess up back here, but yet they'll pick at all the tenants to do things that are just so crappy for them to get on to people about. They really need to take care of their own things, but it is what it is. So yeah, my eye's getting better every day. I have to wear my warmer clothes, and I don't have a lot of warmer ones because I thought it was going to be warmer and I could just put things away. Didn't work out that way. But yeah, you can see behind me the clouds. I don't know what it's like where y'all live, but look at this weather. It's only like 50 some degrees. So yes, I am trying to let y'all know that today I am doing better. I'm not sure how the doctor's going to go about fixing the other. The hood eye situation, if he's going to do too. Sorry about the dog. Someone has a dog. So yeah, y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Look at that big tree. Y'all be blessed. Have a great day. And if you don't know me, my name is Edith. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you'd be so kind. And share. Give me a like and a thumbs up. God bless. Bye-bye.